Hey guys, I'm Zeke from Zeke Zone. Today we're going to be checking out my electric bike. It's a Jetson, and it's better than my normal bike because this you could turn it and it would help you get up hills, and you barely have to pedal. And whenever you pedal with the electric mode on, it helps you go faster. And whenever you pedal, it doesn't hurt your legs as much as the normal bike. You can make the seat high and low. And also you could fold this. You have to push this out to unlock it. And then to lock it back, you do that and then push this. It has a light right here. Whenever it's like kind of dark, it will start flashing. And this right here, you could press it whenever you're riding in the dark. It comes different modes. And also, it comes with the bell. And you have to press this to turn it on and off. And that's where you see what percent it is. And you twist this to it would help you go up hills.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.
And whenever I'm going up here than the other bike, because it's more of a workout. And this bike, you don't really have to pedal that much. It's better with the electric bike because it's still a workout to pedal, but it doesn't hurt your legs as much.